Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. Today's video is all about mounting a faceplate on a curved surface. We're going to do a natural edge bowl, and I need this faceplate to lay flat. And I want to make sure that this end and this end in this particular bowl, I want to make sure that it's fairly level from point to point. So, to check that, it's sitting on the base of the drill press, and I've got from the floor, and the bark's not going to last on this piece. So 41 1/4, and on this end, I'm 41. I'm going to let the quarter go. I like it. That's just pure luck. Now the other way, it's not perfect, but I like where it's at. I'm within a quarter. From here, and the length I got 23. So again, 10 and an inch and a half. 10, 11 and a half. Or a half, and take it, 11 and a half. So right there is center this way. So I'm center this way and pretty close, but I like where it's at in the other direction. And it's sitting level. So all we have to do, my Forstner is not as large as this, but I can use this to get started, and then I'll just work my way around it as best I can to take out the material that we don't need. Again with the glasses. They're not on my head this time. Now let's see if we can get this to fit in here. This one right there was my original center. And now that we have a good flat surface for this, and I'm recentered back on my original mark, let's screw it down. And remember, alternate your screws. That feels real good. All we have to do is spin it on the lathe, start turning. Please consider subscribing. What is it doing? Ready? There she goes. Man. And don't forget, if your faceplate has set screws on these larger pieces of wood, go ahead and tighten those down. It's not to be perfectly tight, but it'll help keep it from spinning off, especially if it gets in that back groove that's on the spindle coming out. So, thank you very much. See ya.